The concept of the shadow self was introduced by Swiss psychologist Carl Jung and popularized by Canadian psychologist Jordan Peterson. According to Jung, the shadow self is the darker, unconscious side of our personality that contains the aspects of ourselves that we reject or repress. This can include negative traits such as anger, jealousy, and selfishness, as well as positive traits that we are not fully aware of or do not want to accept. In his lectures, Jordan Peterson emphasizes the importance of understanding and integrating the shadow self in order to overcome its negative effects. He argues that repressing or denying the existence of our shadow self can lead to feelings of inadequacy, self-destructive behaviors, and even mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. One way to overcome the negative effects of the shadow self is by becoming more aware of it. This can be done through introspection and self-reflection, as well as through therapy or other forms of self-help. By examining our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, we can begin to identify the parts of ourselves that we have been repressing and learn to accept them. Another way to integrate the shadow self is by taking responsibility for our actions. This means acknowledging the role that our shadow self plays in our behavior, rather than blaming others or external factors. This can be difficult and uncomfortable, but it is essential for growth and self-improvement. By understanding and integrating the shadow self, we can become more authentic and self-aware individuals. We can learn to accept and embrace our negative traits, rather than repressing them and allowing them to control us. This can lead to greater self-esteem, improved relationships, and a more fulfilling life. In a nutshell, shadow self is not always negative and it can have positive traits and capabilities as well, so we should accept it and integrate it in our personalities. And by understanding and acknowledging our shadow self, we can overcome the negative effects that it can have on our lives and improve our overall well-being.